Hey everyone, Chris here from Thrill Rides. Today we're providing a new update on Triple Loop at Indiana Beach. They have put the lead car on the track. These photos were provided to us from our friend Dave Wynn. And as you can see, the paint scheme or the paint colors seem to be very similar to the paint that can be found on the actual roller coaster itself. And it looks like the wheel assembly is brand new on there. So it looks like they used the original cars and probably refurbished them to the point where they almost are brand new, which is great news on that. But the good news on this is that the lead car is on track, and Indiana Beach reported yesterday that they will begin testing soon on just the lead car, and I imagine they'll add more cars after they find out if the lead car works first. So there's still a lot of testing to go on this, but this is great news coming out of Indiana Beach. At least we know that the coaster has a huge chance of opening for the 2023 season. And it is very nice to know that the park is undergoing a lot of testing to ensure that this roller coaster is going to be safe. With that being said, this is Chris signing off from Thrill Rides. Thanks again for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share for future content that will drop down here on Thrill Rides.